Okay, now I am moving on to the overlapping sets. Girls, please make sure you are giving the heading overlapping sets, disjoint sets, and you are just writing down the dates also. Make sure you are starting from new page every new example. If A is equals to, now A and B sets are given to you, and these are the things you have to find out. You have to solve it. Now A union B. A union, first of all, let me tell you what is overlapping set. From the definition we have learned that what is overlapping set. Overlapping sets are the sets which are overlapped to each other, in which you will find few of the elements common. Some of the elements of one sets are common in the other set also. So let's see A union B. A union B, copy the elements of A, copy the elements of B. Union will be, just write down the elements one time. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 10. I will not write 6 and 8, 6, 8, 10 again, because I know that in sets we do not repeat the numbers. We only write it one time. A union B you will represent with the lines only A and B. Now this time see, they are overlapping. This one circle is overlapped with the set B. Common elements you will write down in the center. 6, 8 and 10 I can see are common in both the sets A and B. So I will write down in center. The remaining elements I will write down here, and I will just underline, highlight the whole circles with this, which will represent A union B. Now let's look at A intersecting B. Of course, A intersecting B, B intersecting A is very easy. Why? Because only we have to write down the common elements. So I know 6, 8, 10 are the common elements. This time I have used the whole shaded area. I have colored this block. So I will do the same thing here also. If I am showing lines here, I will draw lines only here. If I am showing coloring, I will show the color only. And whatever the color I am using here, I will use same here. If I am using pencil shaded area, I will use the same thing. Okay. Then A minus B. A minus B, now this time you will learn A minus B, as I was telling you that this will make more sense when we will do overlapping set. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, copy the elements of A, copy the elements of B. Now this time see, I will just write down elements of A. I told you we only write down elements of A, and whatever the elements are common, we will just cut down. So 2 is not here, I will write down. 4 is not here, I will write down. Now 6, 8 and 10, they are present here. So I will just cut them. 12 and 14 I will not write down, because I do not write the elements of B. A minus B I am finding out, I will only write A elements. When I will find out B minus A, I will only write B elements. And common elements will be subtracted. B minus A. See, now this time I will only write 12 and 14. 6 I will cut, 8 I will cut, 10 I will cut. From here also 6, 8, 10. 2 and 4 I will not write down, because I am finding out B minus A. Highlight the areas like this, 12 and 14. This and this you will keep it like that only. 12 and 14 shows that this is B minus A through Venn diagram. Now I am moving on to the subsets and supersets.